Okay, so we are on eat food, and the first category is about millets. So, thought of sharing with you. So, like when I started my yogic journey, and then when I got to, I mean, when I realized that jawar and bajra and ragi, so I only knew that उससे तो सिर्फ भाकरी बनती है. I did not know अब और क्या बनेगा, and yeah, I experimented. So this is a crepe made from ragi, and the filling is spinach and corn. So turned out to be really, really crispy outside and that yummy filling inside. It was like really amazing. So um, very simple. Use the ragi flour and put a little suji in it, and it turns out to be like that. So I'm going to just take you through the pictures. Maybe you can keep your questions ready, and then we can I can answer, and Madhuri is also here, so both of us can answer whenever. Yeah. So these are so we all love Lebanese food, and my daughter is she's a huge fan of shawarmas and the pita pockets and stuff. But that is maida. So this one is jawar pita pockets. So made small bhakris and cut them in the center and opened them up and filled it with falafel balls, which is chickpeas. So you make them, and those were also made in the appe pan. So again, very, very healthily cooked, and the salad which was there. Yeah. So this is a biryani which is made from masoor, which I'm forgetting the English name. So, but then yeah, and the locally made the local brown rice which one gets. So yeah, and again this is like black lentils. Yeah, Aditya is written. So, and this is like so tasty and so yummy that I really, really enjoyed this biryani. In spite of the fact that there was no basmati rice or whatever, but then the brown rice itself is really, and it's very filling. So आप कम भी खाते हो तो भी you're full. So this is basically the whole meal plate, which, and there are other dishes also. I'll talk about that in some time. Okay. So this is only Jawar Thalipeeth, and that's a Maharashtrian name for a pancake, let's say, but in a different kind. So this is only Jawar, and then there is the salad and the tomato sar, which typical Maharashtrians make, you know, and the pudina chutney. Okay, this one is just the ragi bhakri. Like I said, I only knew initially to, make bhakris. But the green thing which you see is a salad actually. So those are just methi or the fenugreek leaves and kacha. It's not been cooked. What I have put in that is peanut powder, and then upar se sirf tadka lagaya hai. So you've just, you actually pour it in. So mustard and hing ka, and a little chili powder and salt. But it tastes so amazing that there was this one day my sister had come from Bangalore and मैंने पूरे मेथी bunch का ये बनाया था, and both of us ended finishing that whole bunch of methi. It is so tasty. So just mix the peanut powder and give that tadka, and it is like really. And what you see in the bowl is the sur and the jimikan ka sabzi. So again, I started making these combinations, which so which brown rice? It is the local red rice or the brown rice which you get. It's not even branded, vagera.
But there are so many brands available on
Yeah.
Amazon.
So
If you
Madhuri, you
want.
can fill them in with that. So this is about salad, snacks, and beverages. Our good old herbal tea, the one which, so we call it the Sanjeevani tea now, because it's like really giving you Sanjeevani. And the cutlets are made from suji. So again, like it's a really quick recipe that you actually cook. Yeah, Indrayani is very flavorful, and the fragrance is everywhere, Vasu. So yeah, the hand pounded variety is really amazing. So this is the suji cutlet. So I've actually cooked suji and lots of vegetables, and once the dough is ready, you just give any kind of use a mold, or so this is like hand molded shape, and शैलो फ्राई इट या सिर्फ तवे पे उसको रोस्ट भी कर लिया तो भी इट्स डन. One trick which I learned later is if you actually use groundnut powder or the desiccated coconut as, yeah, I'll talk about the tea, Rajni. As a covering, as a coating, typically people use bread, so instead of that, if you use desiccated coconut or groundnut powder as a coating, since it already has oil, you don't need a lot of oil also, and you can literally dry roast it and it tastes very flavorful, because again the desiccated coconut ka wo jo ek flavor aata hai, it's amazing when you roast it. So tea is this one has ginger, a few a little lemongrass, mint, and a mix which actually Swast used to make, the tea mix with. I think we can share the recipe, na Madhuri, for the herbal tea.
Yes, I'll share.
Yeah. So there's a powder, a mix which we put, or if if you don't have it right now, you could just put a little cinnamon, a little clove. So it's a mix of all of that. Yeah. uh what is the question here? Is it to use the coating which already has oil? So
No, no, I
okay.
said it's
Yeah.
very clever to do that.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this is my kind of save puri or save batata puri, what we call. This doesn't have the bazaar ka wala puri. I've used cucumber slices, and then actually didn't. I've done the whole thing just the way they make save puri, but instead of save, I've put sprouts. So niche puri ke badle there is cucumber slice, and then your potato and your chutneys and your onions and everything, and of course then, because that is the time we had raw mango also, so कैरी भी डाला है. So and it, believe me, I didn't even realize कि इसमें वो पूरी नहीं है और वो सेव नहीं है. It tasted exactly equally or more healthy and delicious. So yeah. Oh, very, that's a great suggestion, the millet one. Okay. uh, this is a quick snack, or a so this is not chaat, but this is like a salad. So there are again boiled chickpeas and the red and yellow bell peppers and broccoli. But ye nahi karna hai, so we can actually do our good old salad also. So chickpeas and onions, tomatoes, chaat powder, and little chili powder, pepper, and again lemon. A dash of lemon just can bring taste to anything, I think. So this is what it is. Yeah, Sita, my mouth is also watering as I talk. Okay, this is karari roti and the potato handwa. So again, I've actually made layers of potato and beach में green peas and coconut का mixture डाला है with a little chili, so what spiciness was there. So it was almost like a sandwich, but then in the potato, and I've actually roasted it. So it really could be held firmly ऐसे. And that karari roti is something, I mean, I love, and we see in the hotel, वो किसी और के टेबल पे आता है ऐसा कढ़ाई के जैसा, तो it is like wow. But then you can actually make it at home, on a kadhai. So just turn it ulta and usko very slowly cook karo, so it actually turns very very crispy and karari. So that is what it is. Yes, the handwa recipe I will share definitely. Yeah. Imagine what, 8 o'clock in the morning we are. Oh, this is the food we are discussing. Yeah, this is upma, but with a twist. So what I've done is to your regular upma, I've added jawar the flour, jawar flour. So, and that is the modi, uh, the South Indian chutney. I mean, what is it called? I'm just forgetting the name, but that is that chutney. Yeah, and it really tastes yeah, chutney puri, yeah, or podi, yeah.
Molga pudi. Is that molga
Ah,
pudi?
yes, Molga puri. So I got confused. It's Molga puri, yeah. And this upma has jawar, so it's like again very healthy. I've also recently, I don't have a picture, but tried something which is soaking jawar at night, the grains, and then सुबह उसको steam करके you actually जैसे हम पोहा बनाते हैं या उपमा बनाते हैं वैसे बना देना. So it also tastes very the whole jawar का grains. This is something I love, and that is dadpe pohe. And so we don't really. This is not to be cooked. It is like mix poha with your onion, tomatoes, if you like cucumbers, and ऊपर से सिर्फ तड़का लगाना and put a lot of coconut, and it tastes really mind blowing. I love it. Again, very quick to make and very tasty and nutritious. You can actually get, because now I've started getting the red poha, so you could get the red poha and it is even tastier. Rajni, as your so it's like half done जब हो जाता है आपका सूजी, उसके बाद you can put the jawar flour, because since it is flour it gets cooked faster.
But if you are adding jawar grains, it should be added first.
No, not grains in this. In the okay, in this there is only flour. I said the jawar grains ka is a separate dish in itself. So only jawar का आप बनाते हो. So वो इसमें mix नहीं करते हैं. Yeah. Okay. This is, in fact, Aditi is here, the one who had actually shared this recipe with me. So I'd seen this on Aditi's wall and I made it. And actually, I really miss sugarcane juice. And this is cucumber juice, but aap isko, you actually use a little mint and cucumber and make this. It really tastes very close to that sugarcane juice. So I love it. And it looks also like one. So I really enjoy this. And now that the summers are setting in, it's a great drink to have. This is sattu drink, and what I have realized is it is very filling. So every morning after my vyayam or workout, whatever I do, so I have this, and it can actually replace any of these protein shakes. So it just has the sattu flour and little mint, uh, 2 3 circles of chili just to add that tanginess, lemon, jeera powder, and that's about it. And आप उसको juicer में करो तो blend करो तो it is such a tasty drink. This is imli ka juice. So soak imli, and then जितना पानी उसमें लगता है, जितना जरूरी है उतना डाल के you put jaggery and little cumin powder, so jeera powder, and that's it. It was so tasty. My daughter was very skeptical. Imli ka kaun juice pita hai? And then she loved it. She was like, wow, this is imli ka juice. Oh, sattu with soap, groundnut and coconut and jaggery is yummy. I'm going to try that, Jaya. Thank you for sharing. And now we are moving to desserts. And I think Jaya has already reached to the desserts. So hence she came up with the jaggery thing. And this is like Madhuri's signature dish, which Garima loves. Gul pohe, which we call, the Maharashtrians call. And it is, again, such a quick snack, such a healthy one, and Madhuri really makes it amazingly well. I've eaten what she has made. So this is what I have made, but it was thoda bahut close to what Madhuri, not as good as Madhuri. So there is only poha and good and coconut in it, and I think a little elaichi powder. Yeah, Madhuri? Okay, this is something which my mom used to make, and I really love this puffed rice ka chikki. So my mummy used to make laddus, kurgura laddu, and this is just thoda alag version of the same thing. Okay, these are ragi pancakes. Again, turned out to be, so I've realized कि ragi में से कुछ भी बनाओ. So I've made cakes, mug cakes, pancakes, all everything, you know, and it is ragi itself is so tasty कि बहुत अच्छा dish. Like my mummy just turned 84, so I made a proper ragi ka cake for her. So there was ragi, oats, and jaggery, and banana and walnuts, and it turned out to be so good, you know. So okay, so this is like the complete meal. You know, 1 minute. I can't find it. Yeah. Uh, so this is spinach soup, tomato caprese. So tomato के ऊपर मैंने वो actually there is something which is called as balsamic vinegar. I've tried that, so it really enhanced the taste. तो वो बहुत थोड़ा सा है, just few drops. But the pizza which I really craved was made from the ragi base, you know, and the cheese also is made from almond and cashew, but we'll talk about that later. But this time the basic reason was to show you that the ragi based pizza was amazing, and those are dates and almond truffle. So I've again उसके ball बनाए dates and almond के, and rolled them in little cocoa powder, and that's about it. So you know, that was my dessert. So Madhuri, I've just realized that maybe I'm using the old PPT. I have not shown the one which where your slides are added. Can you
Okay.
share it from
So
your
I
end?
will,
Yeah.
yes, yes.